Hi friends, this is Sandy from Sunday Page. Very good afternoon. So time is at 3:15, 30th Jan. So February 1st budget day. I already posted two videos on regarding budget day. So what is going to happen on the next month as well as the upcoming weeks or days? So let's see, because these two are very important index, more than Sensex. These two, Nifty and Bank Nifty, are very important index according to me. So this is my YouTube channel. If you haven't subscribed this channel, please kindly subscribe for more updates and stay tuned. And a lot of interesting videos are going to come based on the forex and other things are going to happen. So let's see. Let's get into the market. So Nifty has closed 13,634. This is spot. This is spot, Nifty spot. I already closed like 13,634. So see, the market is traveling the channel from almost like close to 10 months. The market is traveling the channel. This is a day time frame spot price. The market is closing the channel, and immediately this is a trend line. Trend line was formed in between and again broken. Next target would be like 13,200. Next target would be probably, I'm expecting, because when you see the, as I told before, when compared to last 10 years, the Nifty has given almost like 8 times given a fall. So I'm still expecting a good fall in upcoming days. Not even, I'm not considering about the budget, but still I'm saying, because as per the trend line, as per the channel, the trend line got broken, so it's not retesting again. It's given a very good fall. See the selling pressure, almost like 5 days the market has been selling pressure. Definitely the market, this is a key support, 13,200. So once it breaks, we can expect another fall. So always I'm telling, rising channel gives a very good fall in the downside. Okay, so I'm expecting the downside. Let's see. This is a monthly time frame. See what is happening in the monthly time frame. This is a beautiful. No one has noticed, I believe. So this is shooting star is forming here. Shooting star is formed here. So monthly time frame, maybe we could expect a very good fall in February month. I'm expecting good fall. I'm not a SEBI registered. It's not a trading recommendation. It's my view. So I'm expecting a fall in the February month based on the shooting star candlestick pattern. There's only one thing I just wanted. That's what I took, a monthly time frame. So Bank Nifty, the most popular index. See, Bank Nifty again, the channel is forming. Almost like again, this is also pattern formed in March, or close to 10 months. The market has given a pattern. So first 1, 2, 3. So again, this is 1, 2, 3, fourth time got broken. Again upward channel is forming. Again a trend line got broken, retested, again going up. So again this is a forming, again retesting. This might be retest and come down. I'm expecting a retest. This is not, I would say this is not a false breakout. Again this is a touching the, because I'm expecting another like 500 points to fall downside. I'm expecting that. So we need to wait. Might be come down and touches this support resistance. So this is what, because guys, support and resistance is a very important indicator, or it's a leading indicator. It's very basic thing. So once you know this, one day you can go for other things. See, it's not just drawing a line. There's a lot of emotions, a lot of intelligence, a lot of information, insights are there. Begin this drawing a line. You need to understand. You need to watch all the time frames, from monthly, weekly, daily, 50 minutes, 5 minutes, 10 minutes, even seconds, even minutes, even 30 minutes. Everything is important. It's not just drawing a line. So many students are inquired about technical analysis courses, but they say the budget is very high. They say course fee is very high. See, for a swing trade, you need to have at least 50,000 as an investment. Otherwise, very hard to trade. I'm sure, damn sure. I'm telling, minimum 50,000 is very good investment to trade for a swing trading, for as for technical analysis, even for a intraday, even for positional, whatever it is. Because a pattern forms, it's not easy to form a pattern. It will take at least 2 to 3 weeks to form a pattern. It's forming a pattern at least 2 to 3 weeks. And given that breakout, it takes another like 14 to 15 trading days to break out the trend. It's not easy to get into intraday when it comes to swing. When it comes to technical analysis, swing trading, you need to wait, very patient. You need to understand what is happening behind this technical analysis, what is happening, what is behind the price action, everything you need to understand. So that's